Hi guys. Let's see how to disable startup apps in Windows 10 computer. It helps to improve startup performance. First right-click on taskbar. Then select Task Manager. There you can see processes, performance, app history and startup. Next you have to select Startup. There you can see apps that starts as soon as your PC start up. Some disabled and some enabled. You can decide which app needs the most when starting and you can disable other apps. So you can select the app and you can see the disable button and disable it, or right click and select disable. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.